Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad ke Sangma hak arpausan terik Dawai ya ketru Not Swimming Academy halapalang Shelong ke wada chna Deiwa yo yarap nepok ke CM Elevate program. Konrad hawi iye kelam de iye ro ye miet irukom chna panwandur ya gani gachlem isikai yempa Deiwa ong le irukom chna to iwa plia baha Deiwa paj benya ya iwi pa iwi dauman ke le kam kathau sai panwandur ya gitu sab yempa. Da kemen ule ye gibru semen bin uwan cakmat chna ya kam gini ki jait thau. Menteri Rangba da khana ule hapok ke CM 11 da menjur ya ki kre na mo ki project haduk kam arhaja praspa sophau tali Dewa pelait chispa sophan ruklur chagi senki ka thong hagini ki arlis nem to yaram arphau hajar ngut ki senki hewa kamang poisa man go palat sanspa klur. Ya kani ke True Not Swimming Academy da chana Deiwa yarap chiklur na ka CM 11 kawada cha okeri lamre man kam founding member ka True Not Swimming Academy hewa kani ka thau da gale ya ka gym ki sikai le to ki wada biang wada yo ye timin. Kani ka thau yimpa swimming pool to kawajrong arpausan meter kawaman kam ka mulit lane pool yillu ko leput hadu nrupun.
Almost forgot that I'm in Shillong. And the kind of quality, the kind of importance and focus on details, the quality of the infrastructure, and what really made me stand up and listen was the passion of the team that is running and started this project. And I think this perfect combination and the results that we see in front of us, I think is a great example of what we can achieve if we put our heart and soul into what we believe. And I really want to congratulate the team of True North. I think true to the word or the name of the company, True North, and I'm guessing North means the top. So it's really a top class institute and a fitness center. So I congratulate Gary and congratulate the entire team for all the efforts they have put in. And I think is correctly mentioned by Gary that you will be transforming lives from this place. And therefore there's a huge responsibility and expectation. And the difficult part starts now. Because now you will be shaping, the future of the young sportspersons, the young swimmers. And I think that's a big responsibility that you have. So I wish you the very best. And we are always there to support in every possible way to make sure that this particular swimming institute and fitness center should become one of the best, not just in our state, but in the entire region of the Northeast.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause as our swimmers are completing the final lap of the men's individual medley. And may I Pinsan Lingotron, 12 years of age, has completed.
And looking at your team, I can imagine talking to your parents, I can imagine talking to your landlord, I can imagine you. How is the business and what you need that you must do on your